WinRAR is more than just a tool for opening RAR files. You can use it to compress folders, create zip archives, split large files, protect data with passwords, and even repair damaged archives. So in this guide, let's go through the most useful WinRAR features you should know in 2026. Let's start with the basics. Double-click a RAR or zip file to open it in WinRAR and browse its contents. To extract everything, click Extract to, choose a destination folder, and select OK. You can also right-click an archive in File Explorer and use WinRAR's extraction options. To create an archive, select the files or folder you want to compress, right-click, and choose Add to Archive. Here you can choose the archive name, format, compression method, and destination. For everyday use, the default compression settings are usually a good starting point. WinRAR supports several archive formats, including RAR and ZIP. RAR is useful when you want WinRAR's advanced features, while ZIP is convenient when you need broad compatibility. So choose RAR for WinRAR-focused workflows and ZIP when compatibility with other tools is more important. You can also control how much WinRAR compresses your files. Choose a compression method from Store through Best. Higher compression can reduce the final size, but it may take longer. For large files, experiment with the settings to find the right balance between size and speed. For private files, use password protection. Click Set Password, enter a strong password, and enable Encrypt File Names if you want the file names hidden too. WinRAR supports AES 256 encryption for RAR archives, so choose a password you can safely keep track of. If you need to transfer a large archive, you can split it into smaller volumes. In the Add to Archive window, find Split to Volumes and enter a size, such as 1 GB. WinRAR will create multiple parts that can be stored or transferred separately. When an archive has problems, don't immediately delete it. First, use Test Archived Files to check for errors. If it's a damaged RAR archive, try Repair Archive. Recovery records can improve the chances of recovering damaged data, although repair isn't guaranteed. Finally, keep WinRAR updated. New releases can include security and bug fixes. Check your installed version under Help, then About WinRAR, and use the official WinRAR website for updates.